How to find your Mac's details in 3 clicks. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, tap on the Apple icon on the top left of your screen and further tap on the About this Mac option in the menu that appears. Now, in the pop-up that appears, you will be able to view the basic necessary information of your Mac, such as the chip, memory, startup disk, serial number, and Mac operating system. And if you want to view detailed and more information, then tap on the More Info button at the bottom and you will be able to view all the details of your Mac. So, this is how you can find your Mac's details in 3 clicks. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.